Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating English word. Today's word is door. What exactly is a door? Well, in its simplest form, a door is a hinged or sliding barrier used to close off an entrance or exit of a building, room, or vehicle. Think of the door you use to enter your house, or the door to your bedroom. It's a very common and important part of our everyday lives. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for the word door. One synonym is entrance. For example, we could say, the entrance to the museum was very grand, instead of, the door to the museum was very grand. Another synonym is gateway. A sentence using gateway could be, the arch served as a ceremonial gateway to the city. Another suitable synonym is portal. We can use portal like this. The old tree seemed like a portal to another world. Another good synonym is entryway. For instance, the entryway of the house was decorated with flowers. Finally, another synonym for door is access. We could say we need to gain access to the building. Remember, while these words are similar to door, they might have slightly different nuances, so pay attention to the context. Now, let's talk about antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of door. It's a little trickier with door, but we can think of antonyms in terms of the state of the door, open or closed, or the absence of a door altogether. So, one antonym could be opening. For example, the opening in the wall allowed us to see into the next room, which is the opposite of having a door there. Another antonym, depending on the context, could be exit. While a door can be an exit, it's also what closes the exit. For example, the exit was clearly marked with a sign, contrasting with the barrier a door provides. We can also think of wall as an antonym because a wall is solid and doesn't allow passage, unlike a door that can be opened. For instance, the wall separated the two gardens. Another antonym is barrier, which represents something that prevents access, the opposite of a door when it is open. For example, the security gate created a barrier to the property. Also, closure can act as an antonym to door, especially when it refers to the state of something being shut. We can say the closure of the road was announced yesterday to show an obstacle or restriction. Now, let's look at how we use the word door in everyday life. We use it all the time. Please close the door behind you. Is there a door to the garden? Someone is knocking at the door. He opened the door for her. The door was painted blue. The door creaked when I opened it. I left my keys by the door. The cat is waiting at the door to be let in. We also use door in common expressions. For example, when one door closes, another opens, meaning that when you experience a setback, new opportunities will arise. Or, don't let the door hit you on the way out, which is a rude way of telling someone they are not welcome back. Another common expression is behind closed doors, which means in private or secretly. For instance, the negotiations happened behind closed doors. Here are some more examples of door used in sentences and phrases. She slammed the door in anger. He peeked through the keyhole in the door. The door was locked, so we couldn't get in. The revolving door spun quickly. They installed a new front door. The door needs to be repaired. The door to success is hard work. Opportunity knocks but once at every man's door. Can you please answer the door? I saw him standing at the doorway. We entered through the side door. Don't forget to lock the door before you leave. The emergency exit door is located at the back of the building. He painted the door a bright yellow. She decorated the door for Christmas. The draft was coming from under the door. The mailman left the package by the door. The child stood hesitant at the door. Please hold the door open for me. So, to recap, a door is a barrier that opens and closes to allow entry or exit. Some synonyms include entrance, gateway, portal, entryway, and access, while antonyms can include opening, exit, wall, barrier, and closure, depending on the context. We use the word door constantly in our daily conversations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word door helpful. Now, before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English too. And I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word door and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to read them. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.